Hello, and welcome back. In this episode, we're diving into how HubSpot AI helps marketers work smarter, not harder. We all know the pain. Writing from scratch takes too long, repurposing content is a manual grind, and testing new ideas, well, that eats up time you don't always have. Luckily, HubSpot built-in AI tools can help. Today, we'll walk through two of the most powerful AI features, the Content Agent and the Content Remix tool. Let's start with the Content Agent. This tool is like an assistant for marketers. It helps you write emails, blogs, and landing pages all within your HubSpot system. You just tell it what you want, and it does it for you in seconds. Next, let's look at the content remix. Imagine writing a blog post once and instantly turning it into multiple social posts. That's what Remix does. It pulls from your content and repackages it from different channels, formats, and audiences, all within a single click. Let's now dive into the demo. For Content Agent, you can just go to Content, press Content Agent, and as you can see in the beginning of the video, there are multiple content types. We here now decided for a blog post. There's a predefined prompt that I made, and next to that, you can also fill in some keywords for better SEO, select the country for better SEO targeting, select the blog you want it to be added to, and then you can also select some industries you want to target. Next, it will generate some blog post titles for you. You can also show some additional titles or even edit them as they already exist there. Once this is done, we can go further and add some files to it for additional context. You can do them internally in your CRM or externally. Then we go to the review outline. There's some additional input you can give for the blog. Here I added an additional talking point about digital transformation to already introduce the topic. Once this is done, you can click on generate blog posts and then it will start generating for you. After some time, it will open it in the blog editor for you. As you can see, there is some text pre-filled related to the topic. There's some images and it's already in the style of the blog post. So this was it for the content agent. As you can see, quick and easy to use. Let's now dive into the content remix. You can find this in content remix. As you can see, there are multiple starting points you can choose here. I now selected the blog post. I will select the blog that we just generated in the previous slide and then create some additional output based upon this. As you can see, there are a lot of things to choose from. I now selected an advertisement, an image, and also add an audio file. And then you can add in some additional queries to make it more specific. Once this is done, it will start generating. And once the generation is finished, you can click through on it and it will open a preview for it. And you can edit it further down by clicking save. Okay, so those were the two tools. Now to summarize, with these two tools, you can create content faster, repurpose more efficiently, and stay consistent across every touchpoint. If you're ready to create smarter and save time, these tools are already waiting for you in HubSpot in your HubSpot portal. Follow Elixir on LinkedIn, YouTube to keep learning how AI can unlock more from your CRM.